In a construction chapter, we are here starting with the division of a line segment. So here with example I will explain how to divide a line segment. So here one example is there. Divide 10 centimeter line in 3:2 ratio. Okay. So for this what we have to do? First draw a 10 centimeter line. Okay. So let the name it as A and B. Okay. So for this what you have to do? Make one acute angle approximately some centimeter. Okay. So using the compass, make here total how many parts we need? We need 3:2. It means 3 plus 2, totally 5 parts. Out of 5 parts, 3 parts one side, 2 parts one side. So here make 5 equal intervals along with the compass. 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be 5. Okay. So name them A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Okay. So join this A5 to B. Okay. So what we need? 3:2. It means from starting point we need the 3 parts, afterwards 2 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So from A3 we have to draw a line which will be parallel to the BA5. Then we will get here 3 parts one side, 2 parts one side. So to making the parallel line we have to use the compass and make a small arc here. Okay, without changing the needle, same arc draw from A3. Okay, from A3 we draw an arc. So measure the first arc. Measure the first arc and same length cut the second arc. See where I am putting. So like that you have to take the points. Okay. Here we will get a intersecting point. So through that intersecting point from A3 draw the line. Okay. So A3 let's take it as B dash. Okay, so our required A to B dash will be in the ratio of 3 is to B dash to B will be 2. So it will be 3:2. How to cross check that? Our line segment divided in the ratio of 3:2. So for this what we have to do? First measure the first part, that is A to A dash. How much it is? A to B dash. We are getting here 6 centimeter. So we are getting here 6 centimeter. And B dash to B how much? Here we are getting 4 centimeter. So 6 by 4 centimeter. So now you can divide it by 2. 2 3 za, 2 2 za. So what we got the ratio? 3 by 2, which is our 3:2. Understood how to divide the line segment in the ratio, given ratio? Okay, so like this we have to draw a similar triangle with the given ratio. So they will give in the fraction, which is nothing but our ratio. So using that data we have to draw the similar triangle with the given triangle. So here I am taking directly exercise question, that is 6.1 exercise. Second question, construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm, and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. So what you have to do? First you have to draw the first triangle, that is 4 cm, 5 cm, 6 cm. For this you need the basic things how to draw the triangle. Okay, so start with the constructing the triangle. So here which one will be the bigger side? Let's take it as a base. So here 6 cm is the bigger side, so I will take it as our base. Okay, so name it as AB. Now using the compass, draw another two sides. So first take 4 cm side and cut it from point A or B. You can take any one side. Okay, so similarly take side 5 okay, cut it from the B. So where both arcs will intersect, it will be your point C. Okay, so now join A as well as B to C. Okay, now our triangle is ready. That is 4 cm one side, next 6 cm another side, and the 5 cm. Okay, now we have to construct a triangle whose sides will be 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. For this triangle we have to draw another triangle. Its sides should be in the ratio of 2 by 3 ratio. Okay, for this we need one acute angle height with any measurements. Okay, so same steps you have to do here also to making the intervals. How many intervals? 3 intervals, 2 by 3. Out of 3 parts we need only 2 parts. So we have to first make the 3 equal interval parts. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so name them A1, A2, A3. Okay, we need out of 3 2 parts. So for that what we have to do? Join third part, means A3 to B. A3 to B. So for this we need parallel line from A2. So then we will get the ratio 2 by 3. So what we have to do? Now again make the parallel line using the compass. So from A3 draw one arc. Okay, so without changing the needle, take same arc from A2. Okay, now measure the earlier arc and cut the second arc. Okay, so now join this. Now we got A3B parallel to A2. Let's take it as B dash. So these two will be parallel lines. Okay, so now we got 2 parts out of total 3 parts. Okay, now we have to draw a line which will be parallel to CB, then here from B dash to side AC. So for this what we have to do, again use the arc method, taking one arc from B okay, without changing, take same arc from B dash, now measure that arc, okay, now cut the second arc. So now join from B dash to that intersecting point. So now our C dash, A, B dash, C dash is our required triangle. So how to check our construction is right or wrong? See here, total base is 6 cm is there. Out of that 6 cm, we need 2 parts from the 3 parts. How? So just multiply this 2 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 2s are 2 2s are 4. If we getting A to B dash as our 4 cm, then our construction is right. So check it. See, A to B dash will be 4 cm. It means our construction is right. So side by side you write it. Required triangle is A, B dash, C dash. This one, A, B dash, C dash. Understood? So like this you have to do the another type problem, which will be numerator will be greater and denominator will be smaller. So like that one problem I will solve now. The next question, construct a triangle with 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm sides, and then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. In earlier we did 2 by 3 where numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger, but here numerator becomes bigger, denominator is smaller. It means in earlier construction the corresponding triangle, similar triangle came inside the given triangle, but here the corresponding triangle will goes outside of the given triangle. How it will goes outside? Okay, let's see by first drawing the triangle with the side. Let's taking the 7 cm as our base. Mark them as A and B. Okay, now taking the compass, measure one side 5 cm and another side 6 cm. Okay, from A draw 5 cm arc, and from B take 6 cm. Okay, you can change it. From A you can draw 6 and from B you can draw 5 also. No problem for the constructing the triangle. So now from B to cutting the arc of the 5 cm. Okay, so now here we got our intersected arcs. So let name it as C and join them. From C to A and C to B. Okay, now we got the first triangle. Now for this triangle we have to draw the corresponding triangle which having the sides of 7 by 5, means 7 will goes outside and 5 will comes inside. So for this again draw one acute angle, now after drawing a acute angle, make here total given ratio which is having the bigger parts. 7 having means numerator having the bigger parts means 7. So 7 equal interval of parts we have to make here on acute angle. So from A, so make 7 parts. 1, 2. So now we got totally 7 parts from A to A7 means A1, A2 up to A7. Okay. Now our ratio is 7 by 5 is there. So 5 for the given triangle and 7 for the required triangle. So for the 5 point means 5 parts we have to join with the given part, that is B. From A5 to B you join it. Okay, out of this 5 we need the another 2 means 7. 7 by 5 is there. So from 5 to 7 we have to make a parallel line. Okay, so again use the arc method. Here we getting the one arc without changing. Make same arc from the 7. Okay, now measure that arc and cut the second arc with that measurement. Okay, now draw a line passing through that intersecting point. Okay, it will be parallel to the earlier line, that is B to 5. Now extend the base of the first triangle. So here we got the new base of the similar triangle, that is A to B dash. From B dash we have to draw another one line which will parallel to CB. So again you have to do the arc from B. Same arc without changing, take from the B dash, measure the first arc. Okay, now cut that second arc with the measurement. Okay, so like this you have to cut it. Here you will get the intersecting line point. Now join it from B. Okay, so extend this AC. So here you will get C dash as our side of the similar triangle. So our required triangle is A, B dash, C dash. So it is our required triangle. So here you have to write required triangle is A, B dash, C dash. Construct a isosceles triangle whose base is 8 cm and altitude 4 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 1 integer 1 by 2. So it is in mixed fraction, 1 integer 1 by 2 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So for this, first you draw the base 8 cm. Okay, so mark it as 8 cm. Let's take AB. We need 4 cm altitude, but we don't have the sides. So for this, what we have to do? First draw a perpendicular. How to draw perpendicular? To making a more than half arcs from either sides. So from A, take more than half and mark one arc upper side and lower side. Next, same arc without changing the needles from B also cut the earlier arc. Okay, now we got a center point to draw the okay, so here we are getting 4 centimeter line, so measure it 4 centimeter perpendicular line, so it is altitude means perpendicular. So now join the either sides. Okay, now we got the triangle which having the base 8 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. For this we need to draw the corresponding similar triangle with sides. How much ratio? 1 integer 1/2 means what? It will be 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3/2. So total 3 parts. We need 2 parts for the given triangle and 3 parts for the similar triangle. So what you have to do? Again make here one acute angle, and how many parts we have to do? Total maximum is 3. So 3 parts you make from A. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so name them A1, A2, A3. Okay, so total the denominator represent the given triangle and numerator represent the similar triangle. So 2 parts from the given triangle. So what you have to do? From 2 you join the base side, that is B. Okay, from this line we have to draw a parallel line to get the similar triangle. So again go with the arc method. Make one arc here. Okay, without changing the needle, make same arc from the A3. Now measure the earlier arc. So taking the length of the arc and cut the second arc with that length. Okay, now so here we got one point, so that will be parallel to the A2 to B. Okay, so extend this until it meets the base of the triangle where you extended it, when you extended it. Okay, so whenever you extend the base of the given triangle, it will meet the next parallel line. So here name it as B dash. Now from B dash to you have to draw the parallel line to B to C. So here it is C. Okay, B to C, draw a parallel line. Okay, so again using the arc method, draw one arc without changing, same arc, draw from the B dash. Okay, measure that arc, same length you have to cut the second arc. Okay, now join it. It is going on question. You don't do like this in a white paper properly. So like this we will get. You name it as C dash. Our triangle is A, B dash, C dash. Understood? So this like this you have to try for the next 3 problems.